Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set up automatic replies on Outlook. To start, open Outlook. When doing so, in the File menu, in the Info section, click on Automatic Replies. After that, check the box, Send Automatic Replies. In the respective field, enter the response message. Click OK, and this way you will have your automatic response in Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.